Here's the deal. I got a deer antler stuck in my tractor tire. This happened about 8 months ago, and I just cut the thing off and left it in there, and it was doing okay. I'd air up the tire every few days or so, but now it's every day I have to air up the tire. So I've got somebody coming out today, and they're going to try to fix it, or we're going to have to put on another tire. I hope they can fix it, but I guess we'll find out. I have some spare tires. The first thing we got to do is load these on the truck and take them to the other ranch. That's not going to be sketchy at all going down the road. That ain't going anywhere. So we have 2 new tires for the front that we're going to replace. And then this back one, I'm hoping they can repair it. But it has a deer antler right there. And this thing is filled with antifreeze and water. So it's going to be interesting in watching him fix it.